Hello everyone, it's me again, Viol of iSaveInvestify.com. At pag-uusapan natin ngayon ang rights offering. Since Friday, I've been receiving messages nagtatanong kung ano nga ba itong rights offering. Bakit daw pagbukas nila ng kanilang broker account platform, meron silang nakikitang rights offering. So, instead of answering these emails one by one, I would like to answer it in this video. So, in the next slide, ipapakita ko sa inyo, i-discuss ko sa inyo kung ano ang stocks rights offering, ano yung mga advantages and benefits niya, and ano yung implication niya sa ating shareholders or investors. Alright? So, titingnan natin. Alright, so ano nga ba itong rights offering na ito? Okay, so we'll try to have a look at the definition given to us by Investopedia. So Investopedia defined rights offering as an issue of rights to a company's existing shareholders that entitles them to buy additional shares directly from the company. So if you already have existing shares on that particular company that is offering rights, then you are entitled to buy these additional shares. But then you only buy additional shares that is in proportion to your existing holdings. So whatever the number of shares that you have right now, that will be the basis on how many additional shares will be offered to you by the company. And then remember, this is only offered within a fixed time period. You cannot go beyond right after the due date. Hindi mo na siya pwedeng bilhin on that particular price na ino-offer ng company. So, in the rights offering, the subscription price or the price per share is generally given at a discount. So therefore, mas mababa ang presyo ng bawat share sa rights offering compared to the current market price. But then you might be asking, why does a company give rights offering to their existing shareholders? Well, there are many reasons why a company wants to raise funds or raise capitals. It might be because they have a debt that they need to pay. It also possible that they want to buy new equipments to expand their business, or it might be because they want to expand more branches. So whatever good thing that the company is planning to make the company even bigger, doon nila gagamitin yung fund na gusto nilang makuha. That's why they are offering the rights offering to their existing shareholders instead na mangungutang sila sa mga banks or instead na mag-low loan sila. Alright? So, let's try to have a look also at the benefits and disadvantage of rights offering to the existing shareholders or to the existing investors. Okay? So, let's try to have a look first at the benefits. Benefits muna of rights offering to shareholders. There is a good thing about this because the shares are generally offered at a discount. So, if the shares are generally offered at a discount sa mababang presyo, then the investors are given more opportunities to gain in the future. But then we also have to look at the disadvantages naman. What are the disadvantages of rights offering? Well, because rights offering flood the market, nagkakaroon ng more supplies. And then dito sa rights offering, the more rights na binibigay ng isang company with a lower price, syempre, maaapektuhan yung value or price of your available shares. So, kunyari, bumili ka ng shares last month or the other week at a higher price, ngayon magbibigay ng rights offering yung company na yon, makikita mo babagsak yung presyo ng mga available shares mo. And because of this might bring panic to shareholders, especially to newbies. Makikita mo yung paper loss mo dun sa portfolio mo. Siyempre, magpapanik ka, especially if you don't have an idea what this rights offering is, what are the benefits, what are the disadvantage, and what is the bright side of it. So let's try to have a look also at the bright side. Okay, there's a bright side on this. Since the stocks are sold at a lower price during the rights offering, it says your stock's average price is not at par, hindi naman siya nalalayo at the current value of the stocks. And also, if the company utilizes the newly collected fund from the shareholders wisely, then the shareholders will benefit from it in the long run. And I would like to demonstrate this in the next slides. Alright? So, tignan muna natin ito. So siguro pag pumunta ka ngayon, if you are already investing in the stock market and pumunta ka ngayon sa call financial platform mo or kung anumang broker ang ginagamit mo, meron kang makikitang rights offering ng Metrobank. Okay? So, let's try to have a look kung ano ang ino-offer ng Metrobank at this moment. So, here it is. This is their offer. So, the Metrobank is offering 75 pesos per share at their stocks rights offering. But then again, it says the number of additional shares is in proportion with your existing shares. So, you are given one rights share for every 3.976 common shares that you have. And if you already have existing shares on or before March 16, then you are already entitled to these rights. And you have to avail of this offer from March 16 up to March 27, 2018. So let's try to have a look ano nga ba ang implication nito sa isang investor. So let's try to have a look on this. So here is your Metrobank shares, for example. You already have 250 shares. So we are going to divide it by 3.976. Yung sabi ni Metrobank, di ba? Yun ang offer ni Metrobank, 3.976 common shares is equivalent to 1 right share. So therefore, magkakaroon ka ngayon ng 62.88 shares. But then, because the minimum board lot of MBT is 10 shares, you should buy a multiple of 10. So we will have 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So we will buy 60 shares. So what will happen if we will buy 60 shares at 75 pesos per share? So let's try to have a look here. So, for example, noong March 15, bumili ka ng 250 shares ng Metrobank and ang price niya is 93.40 pesos per share. So, gumastos ka ngayon ng 23,350 pesos. Okay? And then, mag-a-avail ka ngayon nitong 60 shares na rights na binigay sa'yo ni Metrobank. So, you will buy these rights, 60 shares, at 75 pesos. Gagastos ka ngayon ng 450 pesos in buying that. So, ilan na ang total shares mo sa Metrobank? Your total shares now is 310 shares. So, titignan naman ngayon, I'm sorry, nabubulol na. Titignan naman natin ngayon kung how much money did you spend in buying these 310 shares, okay? So, you spent 23,350 pesos in buying the 250 shares, and then you spent 4,500 pesos in buying the 60 shares. So, in total, you spent 27,850 pesos. Diba? So, we'll try to get the average na ngayon. So, magkano ngayon ang bili mo sa bawat shares ng Metrobank in average? So, we'll see. 200 or 27,850 pesos divided by the 310 shares na meron ka na ngayon, existing shares. So, lumalabas na actually, ang bili mo ng bawat shares ng Metrobank is 89.84. Diba? So, bumaba siya ngayon yung average price mo. So, we'll try to have a look at this. Siguro, from 93.40, ngayon naging 89.84 per share ang bili mo ng bawat isa. Diba? Okay. So, siguro nung nakita mo itong portfolio mo nung Friday or nung Thursday, nakita mo na meron ka ng loss na negative 6.37. So, if you are a newbie na hindi alam kung ano ang nangyari, bakit? This happened dahil nag-offer ng rights ang Metrobank. 'Di ba? Sabi natin kanina, it will also affect the price of the existing shares. Kung kaya, ang closing price ngayon ni Metrobank noong March 16, right after pagkabili mo ng 250 shares at 93.40 per share, ang naging closing price niya is 88.50 pesos per share. Ang laki 'di ba ng ibinaba from 93.40 bumaba siya ng 88.50 pesos. But then nung bumili ka ng 60 shares, yung rights offering at 75 pesos, ang average price mo is 89.84 pesos bawat share, 'di ba? So anong nangyari? The price is not actually very, very far from the closing price to your average price. And so, hinintay mo na tumaas pa si Metrobank and naabot niya ang fair value or target price na 112 pesos per share. This is from the Call Fundamental Investment Guide. So, magkano na ngayon ang gains mo? Comparing from 93.40, tumaas siya ng 112 pesos or from 89.84 which is expected to go up at 112 pesos per share, which one will have a higher gain? 'Di ba ito? 89.84. Okay po, I hope nakatulong ang video na yon in understanding what stocks rights offering is. And kapag may mga comments po kayo, please type it down on the comment box below. I hope naintindihan po ninyo. Kung medyo magulo po ang explanation ko, send me a message po and then I will try to explain it clearer. Okay po, bye-bye and until in the next video.